You have to spend money to get money. So if you not have no money to spend, you won't have none to get. So people who gamble small, who only have pay the man who gamble big. Yeah, boy?
Yeah.
Learn that. Yes, sir.
From me a boy until me a grown man, I've always heard that for true. You have to spend money to make money. And now I'm a grown man. Indeed, you have to spend money to make money. You have to invest. If you don't invest, how the hell you gonna... Even if you get a job, you have to go buy clothes to go to the job. You have to find money to go at the interview, buy gas or take taxi. You have to spend money to make money. And it's a comment section video again. Let's hear them off saying this. Well, everybody has a real talk. Teach them. Yes, I. Yes, bro. That a true man. Real talk. Why people are laugh? That's weird. Oh my gosh. Peanut Dread 9 full suit a black one. If a funeral ma go or funeral ma come from. Anyways, that was not a lot of comments, but I just had to post that video. You have to spend money to make money. You have to invest before you start see profit. Yeah. Don't be a meanie. And only invest in the hair bank what you can afford to lose. Always remember that. When I tell you Jamaica is not a real place, this is what I mean. Me know it's a femme girlfriend, femme woman and yard, femme babe mother supposed to vex with him when he bring home this a clothes of a wash. Or if I him a wash his own clothes, me know say him vex with himself when he take out this a suit of a wash. Anyways, the boss have vibes. You don't have to tell no lie about. We just think about washing this a dirty clothes. OMG. Jamaican wake yard man or something else. I want Jamaican will live a foreign post this now. She said, reason why I love going to Jamaica. That's one reason. We know the next reason why you love going to Jamaica too. You love big things. Anyway, go in the comment section. I will make it rum. The youth they were always said a thought there. We ride the bike. When there? From when I see me hoping you alright. Jesus. And he always a ride on him bike and a talk, you know. Free food and rum cause this, you know. Fish and bread. Boy. Same thing with me I say. Who I go wash them their clothes there? That's the question I'm asking. Somebody say Ratted, Ray and him never do this, you know. True, man. Country dead yard are the best. Tony dead yard good to me here. Never been to one. Think I did Envy Royal. What? I watched this so many times. Me and you too, Amelia. Nice name. You look cute in your picture too. I must DM you. No, I'm not gonna do that. I like being single. Me nah ask Ray and him never cause this. Hey, God must wonder. Wonder what dear? I swear I Envy Royal. What? Him feel every pain when he wake up a morning. Sit down on the left hand side. Sit down on the right hand side. I just 5% of him energy me want, you know, if you go to work tomorrow. Hey, listen, me just want 5% of energy just to go through the goddamn week. But it's full of energy, man. I must say Duracell or Energize. We call it Energizer Bunny. Who needs TV when you have Jamaica TikTok? A real talk, man. Real talk. Who else thought it was... Who is Envy Royal? I mean, if you Google the person. If him ever buck up on a broke glass bottle, oh my gosh, that would be the end of it. Everything cut up. I mean, I left the one right this about 9 night vibes. What if I him there climb a tree from the video the other night? I'm going to put a link in the description so you can watch the video there. Anyways, we had 3 tonight. The new character unlocked, they turn him in a cartoon.
No decorum. Me nah none. Suck your mama what the word decorum mean. Embarrass you, try embarrass me. I don't know what decorum mean, you know. So why you come and use the word decorum for me for? Eh? This year try this, me, Mr. Jamaican, Well, we not do the big words, you know, because we don't go try to use them and we don't know how to use them.
Alright, Pastor. And he said he's not a pastor. Y'all need to stop calling pastor, including myself. But alright, Pastor Mark. Decorum mean you don't have no behavior. You do not behave properly. You are a naughty person. And that them basically I say. No decorum. You're not polite. Your behavior is indecent. Yeah, you're a rude little boy. Yeah, me I call the big man boy. Anyways, let's go in the comment section. Feel like Jamal could use this in a song as an intro. Feel like it would hit. Jamal. Oh, Jamal, I don't spot artist. And okay, yeah. Jamal father this. But Jamal not dunce. Is the next Jamal this? One clause uncle. What? Dunce, literally. And me I look up the meaning. Me learn a new word. Hey, listen, we not gonna know every word in the dictionary. Ain't nothing wrong with that. As I've always said, and everybody know, you learn something new every day. You stop learning when you're dead.
No decorum. Me nah none. Suck your mama what the word decorum mean. Pussy I embarrass you, I try to embarrass me. I don't know what decorum mean, you know. So why you come and use the word decorum for me for? Eh? This year I try this, me a Jamaican not pussy wall. We not do the big words, you know, because we don't go try to use them and we don't know how to use them.
You have to spend money to get money. So if you don't have no money to spend, you won't have none to get. So people who gamble small, who only pay the man who gamble big. Yeah, boy?
Yeah.
Learn that. Yes.